Let's try Dave's hot chicken. Let's try these sliders first. He got the Reaper and I got the mild.
Not doing 85.
8.5 already? Well, dippy poo? Dave's hot chicken is good.
Yeah.
So Leii rated that an 8.5. I'm going to give that a 9. That was really good. Those chicken strips are gas. I got the Oreo one and he got the M&M. Oh. All right, eat up, big boy. There we go. Is that good? All right, I'm going to do the same. Look at that. This is going straight to the what?
In the mouth.
Right in the mouth, straight to the mouth, straight to the glutes. You want to put some fries in these?
Oh, yeah, they do.
Give it a little mixy poo. Hey, yo!
I'm doing 7.
A 7? It's pretty good together. I'm going to give it like a 9. Fries from Dave's Hot Chicken are pretty good. I like the seasoning. They don't put too much on there, where it's not like an overload in your mouth, you know? But it's good. Here's the thing. Leii gets locked in when he's eating. He's like full focus, like devour everything in sight.
Yeah.
It's my butt. Stop it.
Not me.
Eat your food, boy.
Sorry.
Eat your food, boy.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys. What do you rate Dave's Hot Chicken out of 10?
I did 9.
I'm going to give it a 9.2. It is really good. Dave's Hot Chicken surprised me, I'm not going to lie. Those sliders are gas. The fries are gas. The milkshake is gas. Overall, it's gas.